What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and going for long walks in the park. How about you?
Oh, I'm into photography. I love capturing beautiful moments and exploring new places.
That sounds fascinating. Do you have a favorite subject or style of photography?
I'm particularly drawn to nature photography. I love capturing the beauty of landscapes and wildlife.
That's amazing. Nature photography can be so calming and inspiring. Have you ever exhibited your work?
Yes, I've had a few exhibitions at local galleries. It's always a great experience to share my photos with others.
That must be quite fulfilling. Besides photography, do you have any other hobbies or interests?
Well, I also enjoy playing the guitar in my spare time. It's a creative outlet that helps me relax and unwind.
That's fantastic. Music can be so therapeutic. Do you play any specific genre or have a favorite artist?
I'm a fan of acoustic music, and I often play songs by artists like Ed Sheeran and John Mayer.
I love their music too. It's great to have a diverse range of interests. By the way, have you ever tried any sports or physical activities?
Absolutely. I'm a big fan of basketball. I often play with friends at the local court on weekends.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I've always wanted to try basketball myself. Maybe we could play together sometime.
That would be awesome. I'd love to teach you some basics and have a friendly match. Just let me know when you're up for it.
Definitely. I'll make sure to practice a bit before challenging you. Thanks for offering to teach me.
No problem at all. It'll be a great way to bond and enjoy our free time together. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Thanks for sharing your hobbies and interests. It's always interesting to learn about new activities.
Likewise. It's been a pleasure. Let's make the most of our free time and have a great time exploring different activities.
Absolutely. Take care and see you soon.
Take care as well. See you soon and have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy your photography and guitar playing. Maybe next time we can exchange some tips and tricks.
That sounds fantastic. I'm always open to learning and sharing knowledge. It's great to have someone to discuss hobbies with.
Definitely. It's so important to have hobbies and activities that bring us joy and help us relax. They provide a balance to our busy lives.
I couldn't agree more. It's crucial to find time for ourselves and do things we truly enjoy. It rejuvenates us and enhances our overall well-being.
Absolutely. Well, I'll let you get back to your photography and music. Don't forget to share some of your recent shots with me.
I won't forget. I'll send you some of my favorite pictures soon. And feel free to share any new books you come across or your experiences exploring nature.
Sounds like a plan. I'm excited to see your photographs. Let's keep each other inspired and motivated to pursue our passions.
Definitely. It's a deal. Have a fantastic day, and we'll catch up soon.
You too. Take care and enjoy every moment. Looking forward to our next conversation. Goodbye for now.